Veliko Tarnovo towers over one of the longest rivers in Bulgaria, Yantra. It's one of those special places where natural and man-made wonders complement each other effortlessly. Like many of the bigger Bulgarian cities, Veliko Tarnovo has its own cultural and historical significance. During medieval times, Tarnovo, then Tarnovgrad, was the capital of the Second Bulgarian Kingdom and the center for political, religious, and administrative decisions at the time. Today, Veliko Tarnovo is a vibrant and artistic city that still sustains local traditions, crafts, and architecture.
The location of the town as a crossroad and crossing point of multiple roads and commercial connections and routes had helped for its economic and cultural development from antiquity to the present day. Veliko Tarnovo is one of the oldest towns in the country, as its history dates back to more than 5,000 years ago, which is proven by archaeological excavations. The upsurge of Veliko Tarnovo is related to the period of the Second Bulgarian Empire, 1185-1393. In 1185, the town was declared a capital of the restored Bulgarian state by the brothers Asen and Peter, who declared the end of the Byzantine dominion, which continued for 167 years. After its selection to be a capital, the town developed fast, as within the period 12th–14th century it was the most unconquerable Bulgarian fortress, as well as the cultural and intellectual center of Bulgaria.
The most significant monument of culture in Veliko Tarnovo is the medieval fortress Serovets, situated on the homonymous peak, surrounded on three sides by the river Yantra. Excavations show that, although Serovets is surrounded by a fortified wall, it was not a closed fortress, but a real medieval town, in the center of which the following objects were rising: the palace, the church, Saint Petka, multiple residential and economic buildings, water reservoirs and battle towers. The Patriarch's residence was on the highest part of Serovets, and the Patriarch's church, the Ascension of Christ, was also in close proximity. There is also another historical hill near Serovets, Trapezitsa. Its historical richness is great and has not been completely discovered yet. The archaeological excavations on the hill continue and new interesting finds constantly appear on the surface.
During the Age of Revival, 18th to 19th century, Veliko Tarnovo was an attractive place for the Bulgarian intellectuals. The town was also a center of the First Revolutionary region during the April Uprising of 1876 against the Ottoman dominion. After the liberation of Bulgaria from Ottoman dominion in 1878, Veliko Tarnovo was the temporary capital of the country. In 1879, the first Constituent Assembly was called, on which the so-called Tarnova Constitution was adopted. Here, the first Grand National Assembly was also established. It elected Prince Alexander I of Battenberg, 1857 to 1893, for a Bulgarian ruler.
The main church within the Tsarovets fortress is the Patriarchal Cathedral of the Holy Ascension of God, a restored structure with modern murals depicting Bulgarian history.